At the threshold to the arrival bay, the corridor flooring transitions into a shallow, disinfectant foot bath.
After weighing, the animals enter the padded inspection chute, positioning them consistently for the detailed health testing phase.
Before any hide is considered for luxury leather, each animal undergoes detailed health checks, ensuring safety.
Scan complete. Is that lot 99?
Yes, traceable identity confirmed, doctor.
As part of the stringent health testing stage, the veterinarian performs a controlled blood draw. The samples are then sent for detailed laboratory analysis.
Once cleared, animals are routed through precise holding systems, organizing the flow that will feed the leather factory's tightly timed production schedule.
Multiple holding pens stretch out in a neat grid containing groups of Arabian horses.
After confirming the queue position with the scanner, the pneumatic system engages, guiding the horses toward the pre-processing area. From the holding pens, the group enters the narrow transition corridor, designed for a smooth flow into the pre-harvest cleaning stage.
This final moment within the sorting and holding phase supports welfare and hide cleanliness for the luxury leather process.
In you come, nice and easy. That's a good boy.
Midway down the wash lane, synchronized rotary mounted on both sides descend to gently
Just beyond the warm air blowers, a final fine mist arch applies a light, fast evaporating sanitizing spray.
This injection step introduces a controlled pre-sedation and welfare supporting treatment before the high-tech sedation chamber in the workflow.
With injections complete, the head gate opens, and the sleek thoroughbred horse calmly exits the lane into a
transit. In a controlled, padded tunnel, advanced systems guide each animal gently into deep sedation.
Compact sensor pods read the fit thoroughbred horse vitals, while a ceiling-mounted rail
In a sealed, controlled chamber, humane harvesting begins. A precise, quiet transition from litters.
The overhead rail system engages, lowering the specialized slings. This critical transfer step ensures
The harvesting stage concludes as the overhead trolley system transports the hide towards the dehiding phase. In the dehiding cradle, workers apply precise guidelines, ensuring a clean separation for the luxury leather market.
With careful mechanical pullers and controlled cuts, the hide is separated in broad, unbroken sheets.
Once fully lifted from the drum, the hide is unrolled onto a perforated conveyor belt. This crucial The lifting arm gently drapes the raw hide into the drum in broad folds. Once inside, the heavy door
Once the wash cycle is complete, the massive hide is transferred to the draining table, shedding excess water before the crucial dehairing process. The hide removed, attention turns to the carcass below. Utilizing precision cutting frames, the body is segmented for parallel meat utilization. Large, shrouded meat sections glide away from the dehiding cradle on a separate stainless steel conveyor, heading toward the food processing wing. While the leather is tanned in the adjacent hall, the meat is carefully processed in this sterile environment before being vacuum sealed for market.
The partially dehaired horsehide now passes into a precision fleshing and leveling machine.
From raw hide to high-end luxury leather, the process begins here as the evenly fleshed hide undergoes its first major chemical treatment. After liming swells and opens the fibers, repeated rinsing and scraping bring the horsehide back into balance, preparing it for full tanning. The limed hide now enters the rinse channel, where powerful spray bars and submerged paddles ensure a thorough neutralization. After scraping and pH adjustment, the hide is rolled onto this perforated carrier drum. This stabilizes the hide before the crucial pickling process. The drained horsehide slides from the raised perforated carrier into the open pickling drum, which begins to fill with a...
The pickling drum turns at a controlled speed while acid and salt concentrations are adjusted via nearby control manifolds.
The hide completes its initial journey, sliding toward the feed hopper of this immense tanning drum, ready for the next major phase of treatment.
Back at the soaking line, the hide enters the initial water channel. This critical first step cleanses and prepares the material for the luxury leather process.
This integrated view shows the critical initial treatment, ensuring the raw hides are ready for the tanning process. The massive drum door opens, signaling the next critical step. The pickled hide enters the tanning phase.
The fully charged tanning drum rotates, tumbling the horsehide within a bath of blue-green tanning liquor. At the exit of the drying tunnel, the hide is firmer. Female workers remove the clips and peel the semi-cured leather.
Once cured and softened, each horsehide is inspected, measured, and mapped, ready to be cut into the precise shape.
After precision cutting, every edge is refined, thinned, beveled, and prepared so finished horse leather goods feel seamless in the hand.
A precision punching machine equipped with interchangeable steel dies perforates stitch holes and hardware slots along the edges of the
Trays of fully prepped horse leather components, panels, gussets, straps, and handle blanks.
Inside the horse leather factory. From raw hide to high-end luxury leather.
From raw structure to refined surface, each horse leather piece now enters a world of color, sheen, and touch that defines true luxury.
Every finished piece is measured, examined, and stressed, proof that luxury is not just about appearance, but about consistent performance.
This stitching and surface QC step verifies flawless construction.
In quiet, climate-controlled aisles, finished horse leather goods wait, tracked, protected, and ready.
This video was created as educational documentary content. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.